loading a design. If you want to load design from the USB stick, you would use this button here. And there would be an option, disk design into memory. Let's use the arrow keys to go down there and hit enter. And let's zoom up some. Okay, and on the stick is only one pattern. It's G005. Let's use the arrow keys to go on it. It's our favorite pattern, tiger. And let's hit enter. And it's going to put on design number 3. And just whatever. Hit enter again. And it's asking some options for everything. Just keep hitting enter. And there we go. I think we loaded it into design now. Let's leave the screen and leave the screen again. Now we loaded it into memory, and now let's choose the design. So the same button up here, embroidery design. And we cannot change designs while we're in drive mode or confirm mode. So this screen here says we're in drive mode. We need to cancel that with this button here. Hit enter to release. Now it's red. We can go back and switch designs. There we go. Tiger's already loaded. Before we loaded this one in 3. Let's hit enter. It's asking us for direction and fine rotation, scale 100% X, 100% Y. Sometimes you want to nudge that up and down a little bit. You can move a little bit with that, but if you move too far, your design becomes unreliable. But it can help you fit in tight spaces if you only need to go down a couple percent, like 95% or something, or even 90. And then repeat options, which we're not going to use. This looks fine. Just get out of there. And we should be switched now, are we? Let's do this. No, we're still in the old design. Let's go back here. Choose tiger. Enter. Yeah, I just press enter again. And okay, let's go into drive mode, see our design. Okay, there we go. There's tiger and all ready to go. We're in drive mode. From here, you just make sure your colors are set. Everything's green, that's ready to sew. We're not on caps, so that rotation's fine. If you did want to rotate it, leave there, leave drive mode. Let's do some rotation. Let's enter back into drive mode with this button. And there we go, ready to caps, ready to sew. And that's how you load a design from the USB stick and then choose it. So let's do that again. Let's leave drive mode because we can't really change patterns when we're in drive mode. Hit that, release. This button over here is loading from the USB stick, disk design into memory. We can see what's on the USB stick here. We'll move it with the arrow keys, highlight it, press enter, 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 enter. There we go, it's into memory. Let's leave this with escape. And let's go up there to embroidery design. This first one here, which again, we're in here. The first one here lets you switch designs. The third one here lets you load it from the USB stick. So we're up here at the top, hit enter. That shows all the designs in memory. We've now loaded tiger a couple of times. Highlight it, press enter again, and there we go. And if we want to, we can change rotation here. That's usually all you want. And then go into drive mode to see it. And there you go. And if you need to change colors, you would of course use the color change button here. Where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just whatever. Escape. And there you go. That's how you load it into design from the USB stick and then choose it on the machine. Now, if you want to erase designs, if you have to clean up, you would choose Design Delete, and that will let you delete it one at a time. If you want to wipe everything kind of back to factory, then you would choose Clear Designs. We are not going to do that here. Let's go to Design Delete. There. We have too many tigers here. Let's highlight, enter, delete it. Sure. Let's delete this one. Sure. And this one, I believe, is selected. Yes, you can't delete that. It's currently chosen. And that's how you would delete them one at a time. Now, if you go to Clear Designs here, it won't let me, probably because we are in drive mode and that one is selected. So again, if you have menus that don't really work, you should probably leave drive mode or release, and then you can do a lot more. And again, when you're released, then you can switch between patterns. You can load from the USB stick anytime you want, but you can't really change patterns unless you're released. And again, drive mode or confirm, this button, enter, your pattern, everything's green, you're ready to sew. And if you want to change any parameters, you release there. Now you can change parameters. Now you can go here and change your design. Let's go back to this thing. Enter, enter, and drive mode. And there you go. That's how you switch a design. So, one more time. To load a design, let's go into here. Disk design into memory. That will read the USB stick, which is over here. Let me pull it out to show you. Here we go. And if it's wireless stick, you just leave it in. We go into here. Disk design into memory. Enter. The stick's flashing. Highlight what you want. There's only one file on here. Enter, enter. Go through all those options. There we go. But we still have to load the design, which to switch over to our new design, which is up here. We cannot do that when we're in a sewing mode or drive mode. Hit here for release. There we go. Back to memory, embroidery design. Let's change to our current one. Press enter. And let's leave all these options, enter again. Now back into drive mode. And again, there you go. Loading the design from the USB stick and switching designs.